Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great and had a lovely Diwali celebration. So today I have a very special guest with me. Someone who is trying to bring us back to our roots. For example, when we see a painting like this, what do we understand? शायद कुछ नहीं समझ आता है, right? Now we see this painting on sarees, on dupattas, right? So she is Geeti, who is trying to portray such beautiful paintings in sarees, dupattas, paintings, wall decors and everything. So please let's welcome Geeti.
Hi, I'm Geeti, co-founder of Gitanjali, and today I'm wearing a hand-painted Madhubani art shirt. To know my journey, come join us.
Hi Geeti, it's a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you so much.
Lovely setup I see in front of me.
Thank you.
But before going there, I would like to know about you.
Yes.
Who is Geeti? Where is Geeti from? And where is this originated?
So hi, I'm Geeti. I'm the co-founder of Gitanjali. I'm an engineer and MBA professional. Okay. I did my corporate job for a while.
Okay.
But my mother started Gitanjali.
Okay.
Like back in 1995. And she started just with rupees 5,000. And when COVID hit us, like in 2020, I always wanted to do something of my own. So I left my job, I got married, and then I found my true calling in Gitanjali.
Okay.
So I casually made a social media page of like on Instagram, on Facebook. Then we made website, and then when people started supporting us, like I had no idea that we would get this kind of response. Like people from all over India and even strangers, they took so much interest in our art. So basically, this is Madhubani painting.
Okay.
This is from Bihar, and if you can see this, you'll think this is printed, but no, this is not printed.
Oh my God.
हाँ, ये पूरा हैंड पेंटेड होता है. ये जो आर्ट फॉर्म है, ये रामायणा के टाइम से चला आ रहा है. लाइक ड्यूरिंग सीता के शादी के टाइम पे राजा जनक he got it painted on the wall. So it is related to mythology, and it goes back to 2,500 years back. And if you see, these paintings are done with nib pens and colors. So this is very authentic way of doing this painting, and this is known as Madhubani painting. It's from Bihar. We also call it Mithila painting, and this is completely done on handmade paper. These are all handmade papers.
And paper is also handmade.
Paper is also handmade. वो cow dung use करके इस पेपर को बनाते हैं. जो आर्टिस्ट है हमारी almost मतलब 150 women artisans है जो team है हमारी. Yes.
150?
Yes.
Geeti, that's a big count.
No, thank you. So over the years we have built this. मतलब my mom started it, and now I'm carrying this legacy forward.
Wow, that is amazing. So, I just wanted to know, back when your mom started in 1995.
Yes.
5,000, just 5,000, and a business gets started, right? So, was she into paintings or was she only with sarees, and how was it?
So actually, there's a story behind that too.
Yes.
My mother is also a PhD holder in psychology.
My goodness.
Yes. She back in those time when entrepreneurship किसी ने इतना सुना भी नहीं था. She, we were born, and she wanted to take care of her family also. और उनका job posting कहीं और हो गया था. So then she took that decision. She left her job and she started this venture because she वहाँ पे मिथिला में people used to make this art. बहुत ही raw, like ये paper पे होता था, but उस time पे clothing पे, like दुपट्टा पे, sarees पे ये art इतना famous नहीं था. तो she took, she was among the first movers जिन्होंने first दुपट्टा, sarees, bags, छोटे-छोटे, like उन्होंने local tailors को hire किया and local weavers से connect होके. भागलपुर is one place, it's known as Silk City.
Yes.
वहाँ पे that is her hometown. तो वहाँ से सिल्क उन्होंने लाइक प्रोक्योर किया एंड थ्रू वर्ड ऑफ माउथ ऐसे करके उन्होंने सेल करना स्टार्ट किया एंड
Wow.
धीरे धीरे बेस्ट पार्ट वाज बिकॉज इतना उस टाइम पे मार्केटिंग नहीं था, देयर वाज नो पेड एड्स एंड ऑल, इट वाज ऑल लाइक ट्रांसपेरेंट। तो लोगों को वो आर्ट फॉर्म पसंद आया, लोगों को वो जो एक्सप्रेसिव ये कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस, पहले कैसे होता था बहुत रॉ कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस यूज करते थे, मतलब आर्टिसंस बहुत अच्छा बनाते बट दे ऑल्सो नीड गाइडेंस। तो उन्होंने वो थोड़ा रिफाइन किया एंड स्लोली वी मूव लाइक मैगजीन होल्डर से लेके बेडशीट्स, वी मेड एवरीथिंग।
Wow.
या
My goodness. So this your mom was doing all alone.
Yes, she was doing all alone. Then she slowly built a team like tailors के artists. पहले उन्होंने खुद से ये art सीखा. Then later on, it was like a passion for her. ये business था ही नहीं उनके लिए. तो उन्होंने फिर she opened a training institute also. तो वहाँ पे
My God, training institute.
yes.
This is true passion. This is amazingly true passion.
Yeah, so training institute में like 98 में we got a Bihar government affiliation.
Okay.
And we used to train like hundreds and hundreds of women जो हमारे एक batch में रहते थे. Even I learned. I think I was in class 4 and that's how I this art is in my genes somehow.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so I learned it and we used to get all those theoretical knowledge also, not just practical knowledge. अभी आप देखेंगे तो इंटरनेट में there is so much like people are making it but they are using gel pens for that, but authentic art form brush और nib pen से होता है। तो वैसे हम लोगों ने सीख के उसको कैरी फॉरवर्ड किया और लाइक बहुत सारे ऐसे आर्टिस्ट्स हैं जो अभी they got married and all and they have gone to like Delhi, Mumbai, Pune and they have started their own venture now, small
Wow.
ऐसे venture start किया and they are doing so good. तो it is like Gitanjali is not just like selling products for us but also giving platform to these women so that they can also they can educate their children, they can also like financially independent be one by.
Wow. This hearing this is giving me goosebumps. This is such a noble thing that has been done. So like your mom started with few artisans and few tailors, local tailors.
Yes.
Now you just mentioned few times back that it is a group of 150
Yes.
ladies now doing this.
Yes.
So this 150 लोगों को आपने employment दिया, right?
Yes.
So that it's such a proud feeling, right? But to retain those 150 is also a task, right?
Yes,
so how
it
do you
is.
manage that?
So पहले तो it wasn't a big challenge because competition इतना नहीं था and पहले लोग इतना like finances से ज़्यादा they used to like focus on family bonding types. Right now hiring new people like young girls and then retaining them is little bit of challenge but I think as in Gitanjali we have had this like my mother has always passed on this ethics and values कि हमारे artisans भी हमारे family ही है, so we have to treat our people right. So if you don't keep your people happy then आपका काम भी affect होता है, your artwork gets affected. So like two pillars are our people like our artisans and also our customers. तो ये दोनों को happy अगर हम रखते हैं तो somehow everything sets. Like
No wonder you are coming out with flying colors. The balance, hearing this is giving me such a happy, feeling. The way you are balancing, because I have seen entrepreneurs doing this. हाँ मेरा काम हो गया है now.
हाँ.
अब मेरे को कोई मतलब नहीं है मेरा काम किसने करके दिया.
हाँ.
But the way you are holding back your people is like वो मेरे family है, right? You're holding them like this.
Definitely.
Wow. So अभी आप वहाँ पे जैसे आप लोगों को पेंटिंग सिखा रहे हैं.
हाँ.
So वो भी in return वो भी एक employment
हाँ.
generate हो रहा है, right?
Exactly.
Wow.
So we have had people like who have stayed with us for more than 20 years. Like
Oh.
if Gitanjali is 30 years old, हमारे पास 2-3 ऐसे अभी भी मास्टर आर्टिसंस हैं जो जिनके पास बहुत ऑफर्स भी आते हैं वहाँ पे, बिकॉज अब वहाँ पे अब पीपल आर गेटिंग अवेयर ऑफ व्हाट मधुबनी इज. पहले तो इतना था भी नहीं बट दे डोंट वांट टू लीव अस बिकॉज दे नो कि वो जो एक कंफर्ट जोन है हमारे साथ, वी अंडरस्टैंड ईच अदर. अगर कभी ऐसे जैसे दिवाली एंड फेस्टिव टाइम पे वी हैव लॉट्स ऑफ ऑर्डर्स एंड कस्टमाइजेशंस, सो दे they work overtime. But usually जैसे अभी festival है, छठ है, तो we will give them proper holiday and all, so that we try to achieve that work-life balance with them, so that they can take care of their family also. Because ये सारी जो भी हमारे artisans है, ये सब अपने घर का काम करके सुबह 5 o'clock they get up, they do their household work, they send their kids to school, and then they start working. And it's a very slow craft, if you see, this is a paper, but when you see a 6.5 meter ka sari, imagine like it takes almost 60 days time to make. So you can't rush this kind of
days.
Yeah.
Amazing. My goodness.
So we
And
give them
everything
that-
is done by hand.
It's everything. So first step is like we usually sketch the design for them, for our artisans, because they do not have that much understanding of the design and color combination. क्योंकि हमें अपने customers, we listen to our customers what they
You
want.
know the taste
Yes.
of the customer.
Yes, and then we pass it on to them. We make them understand. We train them that ways. तो हम लोग पहले फ्री हैंड एक स्केचिंग करके देते हैं जो भी डिजाइन है हमारे डिफरेंट डिजाइन है बेस्ड ऑन नेचर लाइक फिश एलिफेंट देन वी हैव डिजाइन बेस्ड ऑन माइथोलॉजी लाइक राम सीता राधा कृष्ण दुर्गा माँ नाउ वी हैव छठ पूजा साड़ी सो देयर इज सो मच लाइक इफ यू गो एंड चेक आवर वेबसाइट देयर इज लाइक होल लॉट ऑफ वैरायटी सो पहले हम उनको स्केच करके देते हैं देन वी गिव देम एम्पल अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम हम उनको कलर्स बता देते हैं कैसे फिल करना if we have pictures we show them so there's like constant मतलब WhatsApp पे भी अभी they have also become very tech savvy तो वो भी पूछते हैं okay what we have to do so that's a system that we have made
Okay.
and then they bring their art form घर से बना के वो लाते हैं 15 days 20 days whatever and then we do the quality check कुछ अगर उसमें रह गया है तो हम उनको समझाते ये ठीक करो तो वो वहाँ बैठ के उसको ठीक करके then it goes for ironing packing and then ship to the customer so that's the thing.
Wow. One thing I'll mention. I was just seeing this sari. Can you just show me one?
Yes.
This is a beautiful sari. Beautiful, and there's nothing, flaw that I can take out in this sari, right? If you also can see, right? It's a beautiful one. But how Geeti is looking into it. No, if you observe, there are some minuteness that's missing. The color is missing. So that's the level of check that they do. That's amazing, Geeti.
Thank
This is
you.
so amazing to see. I mean, it's so colorful. I cannot just take off my eyes from here. It's
Thank you.
beautiful. So, Geeti, how are you operating right now?
Yes. So basically my entire team. So we opened our first store in 2022 in Darbhanga, which is our flagship store. It's a small cozy store, but lots of people from all over India now come and visit us there. Art lovers basically. So we have also expanded to other handicrafts of Bihar. Like in future we wish to promote those. There's Tujni handicraft, which is very similar to Katha embroidery.
My God.
Yes, and we do make saris and we do make shirts now, but there's so much demand and it's also a slow craft, so we are not able to do it full time. But we are expanding this Siki handicraft. That's a grass art. वहाँ पे grass मिलता है जिससे वो दलिया and they make all sorts of posters and all. So we are expanding into that also. So I stay in Mumbai. I look at all the marketing part like website, shipping, and making content, collaboration. So marketing part I look at that.
Okay.
Designing, when I'm there I go and discuss with my team like now people want minimal designs of Madhubani.
True.
So when you will see like if you search in the market you will get a lot of like maximalist designs, but people like they want to go to office and wear art. Art should be carried everywhere.
Yes.
So we have started doing that. So we also look at the design part. So we discuss online, we discuss through video calls,
Okay.
and we have our workshops over there. So
Okay.
in a week we have like thrice a day we have our artisans coming over there. We
Okay.
sketch a lot of products. Like
Okay.
if you see online you will see mostly our saris and small
Lovely website she has. Very colorful, very lovely page on Instagram as well. Do check it.
Yeah, but if you visit our store, you know, the small like these paintings, we have small bags, we have tote bags. So those are the things that add colors. You know, people come in and people buy for gifting. You know, like recently we sold 30 pieces of these paintings for a Diwali gifting.
Oh,
So
wow.
we are not just limited to, you know, saris. So there's so much that needs more than that meets the eye.
Right.
So that's how we are operating, and of course there is a challenge, but then yes, we are working and we are doing good.
Amazing. So now when I go and search Madhubani,
Yes.
there are many pages that come up,
Yes.
right? But somehow I'm not being. I think I'll be a little partial here, but because I liked your collection from day one, so when I come to your page, I cannot move forward. There is something eye-catchy thing that catches me there, right? So I love it there. But Geeti, I want to know if someone wants to differentiate between what is a true Madhubani and what is a copy. How do you do that?
Yeah, so see, actually, like you have mentioned, no, these days there's a lot of printed Madhubanis also.
Yes.
And you know, we have people coming and saying ki, what is the difference? They want to know कि अगर हम लोग भी authentic hand painted ही art कर रहे हैं या नहीं. And there are a lot of people doing it. But I think if you know the art closely, you know, you will see the color combination, like you know the fineness and the refinement. जो आप जो quality check करते हैं, कोई भी हमारे यहाँ पे like we train artisans and we grade them as grade A, grade B, grade C. So grade A के जो artisans होते हैं वो sarees बनाते हैं. Why? We can't put grade C के artisans into grade A and make them like make sarees. You know, जो हमारे यहाँ new artisans है उनको हम train करते हैं वो small products like hanky, wall hangings इस पे बनाते हैं. Because they also need to. This is a skill, you know, not any like आपने आज सीखा और आज ही आप एकदम साड़ी पे बनाना. You can't start this. You need to refine your skills. So I think our master artisans और हम लोग जो देख के we know like our customers का taste कैसा है. Like many a times people would come and say, you'll see a lot of websites, but they won't like their color combination.
Correct.
You know, they have filled so much yellow, orange. There's no symmetry in that. That's how like we introduce dual color combinations like red and black, blue and black. तो वो अभी हमारा काफी चला हुआ है. And we also get copied a lot.
Yeah.
Feel bad about it, but you know that's the like you can't avoid it. But your customers, like people who have been loyal to, they know कि what's original. ये अच्छा है. They differentiate it like अपने देख के. They know like okay कि ये मधुबनी गीतांजलि का है. Like from pricing point of view, if you see from the art point of view, quality, yes. So that's how we differentiate from others. Like
Amazing. So now, if I would like to brief that Gitanjali is not only sarees and dupattas, right?
Yes.
Gitanjali is also into paintings,
Yes.
into bags,
Yes.
and lovely bags. Yes, that's so nice,
Yes.
right? So nicely done. It's a jute bag, if I'm not wrong. Cotton bag.
Yeah.
Okay. So it was lovely talking to you, Gitanjali.
Thank you. It's a pleasure, Suman.
I'm sure many of you must be fond of Madhubani art and paintings, right? So if you're interested, do check the website. I'll put it in the bio, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.